Hello, comrades. On behalf of our legend leader KVS, NCA Balu எழுச்சி Paravai, and NFP Tamil Nadu, I am presenting the video for the newly recruited comrades. This video will be useful for other comrades in their day-to-day work also. Let's get into the subject. In the first video, we are going to learn about voucher posting. For voucher posting, the transaction code is F-02. The cash received or paid for CBS and insurance transactions are incorporated in CSI from point of sale module. However, at the end of the day, the accounting of McCamish transaction in CSI has to be done through voucher posting or using bulk template. Nowadays, we are using a CSI utility tool. Also, bills payment, IMT, etc. are to be accounted in CSI using voucher posting. Okay, the posting key for different types of transactions are mentioned below. Cash document, that is bills paid, IMT paid, and any other cash document transaction, you have to know the document type must be SK. And for PLI transaction, the document type PL. Accounting principles, all of you know CSI core system integrated is mainly introduced for double entry system only. These three principles are universal accounting principle. Every comrade must know. CSI is a double entry system and all voucher postings will be made in combination of any of the above accounting principles. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Okay, debit means 40, credit means 50. This principle applies to DOP cash, POS cash. If POS cash minus means, then you have to put in the voucher posting debit entry as POS GL code. Okay, if it is plus means, then you have to put 40 debit entry as DOP cash, treasurer cash. Second principle, debit 40, credit 50. All expenses and losses for expenses GLs, all profit and gains for revenue GLs. This principle applies to expenditure and income GLs. Third principle, debit 40 the receiver, credit 50 the giver. This principle applies to one-time customer like BNPL and vendor, etc. Okay, all of you know CSI is classified into two modules. One is offline module, that is POS back office and POS counter, and another one is online module, SAP, system application products and data processing. The cash balance in point of sale is called POS cash, that is counter cash. Counter cash balance and counter transactions are reflected only in POS TCP. Its GL code is 48671 00011, and cash balance of in online module of DOP cash reflects in GL code 48671 00010. Okay, DOP cash is treasurer cash. All must remember that POS cash must be 0 at the end of the day. Let's see a voucher posting for a receipt transaction. For example, I have taken as IMO receipts. Invoke the transaction code F-02. Okay, and then press enter. After pressing the enter, this enter GL account posting header data screen will appear. You have to feed document date. Okay, and then document type, cash document I have already mentioned SK. Company code DOPIA, posting date same, document date and posting date are same. Period, January is 10. Okay, April 1 first period, and then now it is January. It should be mentioned as 10. Currency code INR. Document header text as you just mention IMO issue or IMT payment. Okay, after that you have to first feed 40 the debit, and then this is receipt transaction. For receipt transaction, we have to first put or feed DOP cash GL code 48671 00011. In the 8th step, I have just pointed out in the 8th step, and then after that putting the DOP cash GL code, you just press enter. Okay, in the next screen displays the debit entry screen. You have to put the actual amount in the 9th step. After that, feed your profit center of your sub office or head office, and then text you just mention IMO booking illa IMT payment and his name. After that, in the bottom of the screen there displays the next line system, that is credit entry. Okay, for credit entry the posting key is 50, and then you have to feed account. What is that account? GL code, that receipt GL code. Okay, IMO issue GL code. After feeding the IMO issue GL code, press enter. After that, you have to enter the amount and then click more button to get the subscreen. Enter the profit center of your office. In the 16th step, you have to press the tick button. Okay, after that, in the left hand side corner of the screen there displays the document header. You just click the document header and press the simulate screen. It is in the 18th step. If you press the simulate screen, debit and credits entry feeded will be displayed. Okay, debit and credit has been adjusted and 0 is displayed. After that, you just click the save button. Now observe the document posted. 40 debit entry DOP cash. Receipts, I have already mentioned. For receipts, debit what comes in. Okay, debit what comes in means cash comes into DOP. And 50 receipt GL, credit all incomes and gains. Okay comrades, in the next video we are going to see the payment GL code. Thank you.